welcome back to our video, guys. Today I'm going to show you new update. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. So today I'm going to show you new update in the car. Look, see, this is a new police station. Look, this is a new police station. See, this is where you get the guns. And yeah. Look, see, this is where you can get the new car here. I'm going to show you guys a new update. Asimo did this. Look at this. This is new update. And this new car. You guys like it? If you like this new update, let me know in the comment section down below if you like it. Look at this. New buzzard. See, this is where you get it. This has got new update. There's two helicopters. There's two. Look, see? There's two helicopters. Look, guys, there's two helicopters up. See? This is two helicopters. And I'm going to show you one. And this is the two helicopter. Look at this. This is two helicopters. This is so great. See, this is where you get it. Now we're going to show you the new car. We're going to show you. It's been a long time I didn't record video. Oh. And yeah, I'll need someone to just like block Streetway Queen Street. Stop doing this. And yeah. See, look at this new update car. See, this new update car is so good. See, look. This is where you can sit down right here or the trailer. The new car just got update. Look at this. See, what money do I have? Alright, let's find money. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I don't have enough for this car. Look at this car. This car looks amazing, sick car. So I'm gonna end the video now. And bye. Thanks for your new update. And good luck. Have a nice day.